Hey, welcome to another tasting experience with Key Encounters. My name is Key.
I'm Evie Land.
And today, thanks to Miss Evie, we are going to be trying some brand new shit. I ain't even know they done this. I just found this out of last week?
Yeah.
And I was like, girl. And she was like, girl. And I was like, let's do it.
I love me some hard tea. So.
No diddy. All right, so what we're going to be doing from the Monster energy drink line, they came out with these adult version of their energy drinks, which are their hard energy drink series. The Beast series, there were 4 in a variety pack. We've touched on them before. But they came out with another series with their tea line that is alcoholic as well. And that line is called Nasty Beast Hard Tea, and this is their original. This is going to be 6% alcohol by volume in a 12 fluid ounce can. As you can see, it's not that big. So what I'm going to do is crack this open, and we'll pour the young lady a little bit. That. And then this. Oh, wait.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty.
There we go with a little bit of that.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hello, kitty. I'm hella pretty, 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 pretty.
Uh-oh.
Pretty.
Uh-oh. That was an interesting intro sound of Hello Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. Oh, it feels like we're going to get turned up. Oh, my goodness. All right, so here we go. Cheers to the smell. Give me just one moment. I do apologize. I'm recording. I forgot to grab it for you. I'll grab it. Go, yes? It's on the... Yes, sir. All right. Sorry about that. We have a special guest here who's off camera. It is the incredible, the wonderful Spike Lee. He just wanted to check out the show. You guys know Spike Lee. You know Spike Lee. Yeah. So do it to the right thing. So what do we got on the smell?
Okay.
Ooh.
So far, just like a tea. Nice little tea.
It smells like almost like watered down sweet tea from McDonald's.
Yeah.
If I had to say, and there's nothing wrong with that. It just does smell like tea. Any alcohol?
A slight. Very slight. You got to get your nose into it, like close to it.
Well, I drink teas like straight up black. I just drink them black, so it smells like it smells like sweet tea, but not sweet, but like black tea. But I don't smell any alcohol at all. But you say like a little bit.
Yes, I say a little bit.
All right, well, let's just taste it because I'm so far so good.
Okay.
You know what? It tastes like black tea. It just tastes like tea. I don't even taste any alcohol. It just tastes like straight black tea with like it's watered. So it's like thirst quenching. It's crushable. Like since there's no carbonation, you'll just crush. It just tastes like lemon. Like you added a little bit of lemon to your black tea.
With a splash of Monster. Because I do all those things you said, yes, I agree with, but you still have that little Monster like twist to it. You still feel that like
the energy part?
Yeah, I still got that. Like I taste the sweet tea, I taste the alcohol, but then I also taste the Monster.
It's on the back end. It's like it's almost deceiving, right? So I can see where it's at now, kind of letting it sit. Right when it hits the back of your throat, it's gonna feel astringent, right? It's gonna feel like the booze, like a little booziness, right? But back there, that's also where the medicinal portion of the Monster is sitting. It's blended in with the alcohol. So you're already fooled by the tea coming in, which, by the way, they've done a great job. It even looks like tea. I'd fuck with this. I'm usually not into gimmicky things, but fuck with this.
I think I would try it.
Nice. You would definitely. It's something that if you saw it, you would be like, "Yo, grab me a nasty beast." Would you ask for it by name?
Give me a nasty beast. I need one of those.
Hey, honey, give me a nasty beast. And he's like, uh-huh. What are you doing? The drink. You asked for the nasty beast. You're getting the nasty beast. So you got to be careful. You say, no, the hard T. And then you don't want his name to begin with a T because, like, never mind. Never mind.
But I wouldn't actually reach for these still. I think, I'm not going to lie, I think I'm still going to go with my twisted teas.
You like the twisted line?
I still love my twisted teas. But
okay, so
I would, if that's not available, then I would like.
So in comparison to this regular hard tea versus the twisted teas that's not flavored, which one in compare? Why would you go to that one versus this one?
The Monster taste, personally.
Okay, so it's the energy aspect of it, of how Monster tastes.
Yeah,
is a term because it doesn't.
It just has an added flavor to it.
Okay,
and I think I just like the, if I'm gonna have an original tea, hard tea taste.
Okay.
But if I need a little pick me up though, and maybe it's like an early lake day or something, I gotta get my day started. Maybe I would pick up these rather than the. Well, I would still pick up both. I would still get both of them, but we'll start off the days with the monsters, and then throughout the day we'll pick up the hard.
Nothing wrong with that. Hey, look, if you see it, get it. I recommend just getting the variety pack because there's two other flavors that are within this line, and so far I'm pretty impressed with it. Again, I don't really get into gimmicky things, but why not? This one's actually pretty good. Anything else you want to tell them? Well, I want to say thank you guys for hanging out with us, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.